So now let's see how we can animate text inside of Blender, inside of video editing mode. So in order to work around with text animation inside of Blender, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a text first. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on add. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on text. Once I do that, I have a text right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to increase the size of the text right here. And everything in the text can be animated, like the size, the color, the shadows, as you can see right here. So what I'm simply going to do is animate out the color and location. So to do that, I'm going to go around and select my initial location first. So I'm just going to go around right here and then select around the location right here. To work around with the keyframe, I'm going to turn on auto keyframe so it's easier, and I'm going to pull up my timeline right here, my animation timeline. So over here, what I'm going to do is add in keyframe to the color right here, maybe the size as well, and the location right here. So this is my initial position. So right around on the center, let's say I want the color to change out to red right here. So that's the keyframe right here. I can increase around the size right here and change around the location of the text as well. So this is the animation I have, as you can see. And then at the end, I'm just going to go around and then change around, let's say, the color onto a different color right here. And then I'm going to change around the size over here as well to small and change the location just like this. So once I do this, what happens is that there are the keyframes that you can arrange out, as you can see. And then there's the animation on our text. So if I were to go around and then press the play button, you can see that that's the text animation right there. And that is how you can work around with text animation inside of Blender, inside of video editing mode. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.